Welcome to Fortune Teller Studios. Today we have with us Mita Dasingar, who is the founder and CEO of T-Rex. Welcome.
Thank you.
मिस अर्जिता सिंह और आपको कैसा लग रहा है T-Rex खोल के?
It's nice experience.
आप हर रोज खोलती हैं?
Yes, every day.
कितने बजे खोलती हैं?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. दर्शकों. Okay, what all do you serve, Miss Arjita?
It's a burger, sandwich, pastas, teas, and parathas, fried rice.
I heard that you have previous experience with Tea Every Day.
Yes, I know my own cafe for 21 months, so this is the second one.
21 months. Now, please to note that we have lot of women entrepreneur in Bangalore nowadays. So, what do you tell them? What do you guide them as?
As in the sense?
क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आप? क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आप उनको?
Nothing, just do it.
Just do it. Yeah, just do it. नहीं, आपका advice क्या है?
So many entrepreneurs.
Yes.
So there's nothing called women or men. If you want to do it, there's nothing related to gender. You can do anything whatever you want if you'll come out from that mindset. So
No gender. All are equal.
yeah, definitely.
Okay. Miss Arjita, like when you started T-Rex, आपका सोच क्या था? आपका विजन क्या था?
Just started and want to create a brand. Just started. We'll work on it.
तो आपको टी बनाना बहुत अच्छा लगता था तो खोल लिया T-Rex.
No, not exactly.
तो बर्गर बनाना अच्छा लगता था?
Not burger also.
पास्ता. नहीं, आपको सिर्फ खोलना अच्छा लगता था. 8 o'clock मुझे खोलना है माकी मैचेस नहीं खोलूंगी.
ये वीडियो में YouTube में जाएगा. So अपना फन तो हमारे साथ में ना.
Okay, now let's come to the serious business, Miss Arjita. आपका पार्टनर्स कौन है?
Savitika, Parita, Reshmi Das.
रेशमी दास. वो लोग क्या करते हैं? Are they an entrepreneur as well?
Yes, they are.
I mean, everybody wants to start something new.
Okay.
And they can't do it. Maybe because their boyfriend is like that, or mother is like that, or father is like that. अगर कैमरा हिल रहा है तो मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड हंस रहा है. What is it?
Everyone wants to do it, they are not doing it.
Yes.
So, no, I think people are not taking the risk. So that is the biggest issue. And if you are doing a job, that is also a risk because you are taking a risk on a lifetime, right? So you can experiment till your 40s. After that, you won't have time, you won't be having energy to do something. So this is the only time you can do whatever you want. At the end of the day, you can survive it.
Risk लो, risk खाओ.
Yes.
Okay. And also we heard you read lot of books, lot of stories like about millionaires and billionaires every
Okay.
day.
Okay.
So what inspires you when you read all those things?
No, because when you run business, right, you have ups and downs, correct? So when you have ups and downs, you don't want that negativity to hamper your mindset or something. So when you read all this stuff, inspirational and all, so you'll get that, okay, you can do that for this. So for that, it's good.
Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge, and let's come to your personal life. What are your interests in your personal life?
Just I like dancing,
Dancing, painting,
reading.
I heard that I have seen T-Rex. I will leave a link below. You see all the images. You have painted everything.
Correct.
Yes, absolutely beautiful artwork. आप copy कहाँ से करते हो?
Copy from Google and all.
Google is the master. Google is your grandfather always. Thank you so much.
बहुत ही गंदा इंटरव्यू मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
हाँ जी.
जाता हूँ. किसी को कोई इंस्पायर नहीं करेगा.
ना आप inspiration बनाओ. Like you wanna become. I want you to become an inspiration for all the girls who make nice tea and coffee.
All
girls who makes nice tea and because वो aroma नहीं है now you don't get tea nice good coffee in cafe day as well, but I have drank tea and coffee in T-Rex and it's wonderful. Like if you're good at something, do it. What are you good at?
Making tea.
नहीं पता नहीं आपने बोला है 8 बजे कॉल क्या करते हैं आजकल?
I'm good at everything.
Good at everything. नहीं आपको इंस्पिरेशन बनना है यार आपका यहाँ पे थोड़ी ना नहीं I am a guy and I am coming to see you for शादी. You're being so like that. Please inspire me.
ये क्या ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पता करी मैं कैसे ऐसे आंसर दूं? She is not.
आपका इंस्पिरेशन क्या है to become an entrepreneur?
Inspiration. I want to do something. That's all. I want to do what I really like to do.
आपका फ्यूचर का प्लान क्या है?
Future, I want to make T-Rex as a brand. I want to make Arjita Singh as a brand. So I make it.
People should say Arjita, Arjita, Arjita. And I also have heard that you are a model. Like, why have you not taken model as a career?
It was just a hobby. So in college and all this, I have done. It's not a passion or something. Just for fun.
And okay, when you initially started, you must have gone through a lot of hazard, and like you're not able to do it. People are not supporting you. People are just saying that ये नहीं हो सकता. Why are you doing this? You had nice job. Why did you leave? How did you overcome all this negativity?
No, I generally don't listen to people because it's my life. Right? I'm doing it because how much capability I have that time. So according to that, I'm taking a decision. Right? I'm not taking a decision because the person is telling that.
It's my life. I'll do what I wanna do. It's my life.
At the end of the day, when I'll fall down, I'll get success. Right? I don't want to blame anyone. I don't want to give credit. I can give credit, but I don't want to. When I fail, I don't want to blame anyone for it.
नहीं मेरा question
क्या था?
Question था कि how did you overcome negativity?
That's what I said. I don't listen to people.
You don't listen to people.
I just ignore it. I just don't listen.
If you do not listen to people,
In terms of negativity, I take feedback if they are giving feedback. But if they are not, if I'm not satisfied with their opinion or if they are not able to, give proper reason why I shouldn't do that, I don't take it. I'll do that.
Okay, and if in case this goes in a longer term, that we are coming to know that you're going to open a fortune studios and all those things in your cafe as well.
Okay.
We always welcome. We are their partners. And what is your aim for next 5 years for T-Rex alone?
T-Rex?
Not for Arjita, for T-Rex alone.
So T-Rex, 5 years down the line, if you frankly ask me, I want to play in 5 states.
I'm frank. I'm asking you.
So
What
I
is your fighting
I want to open in 5 states.
5 states.
Per state, 5 branches.
Like 5 is your lucky.
No, not lucky and all. Just 5. That's all. It shouldn't be like you're opening 20 in your uniqueness, your USP will go right. So you should have 5. Then 5 per state. We want to do that. Per state or per city, you can say. And I want to enter into product industry as well because there is no market when it comes to tea, right? We are second largest brewing country in the world. Even though we are not able to capture the market, there are 2,000 cafes are there in the market, but only 41 are tea cafes. So somewhere down the line we are lacking it. So, and that is so 84% people they drink tea. Even though we are not mapping the market, it seems we are not.
तो तुम लोग कहाँ से टी मांगे पी रहे हो? India wants to know.
We are getting from vendors. We are getting like yesterday we got from Assam. Ooty is there. So we brew around 200 to 300 types of teas, right? And our Indians they only know about 2 or 3 types. One is green tea, one is black tea, and that's all. When is loose and right.
I like lemon tree.
Lemon
Trees.
So we brew around 200 types of teas and we just export it, right? So we don't know about our product. Is we export to Japan, we export to all other countries.
And thank you so much for your wonderful insight of T-Rex. Now, let's hope and support T-Rex. Thank you for watching.